Welcome back to my channel, guys, and I'm very excited about today's video right here because in today's video we're going to be exploring an amazing AI tool that you can actually use to create some cool and amazing animations right there from just a simple text, or rather you could also go into utilizing an image by animating that image to form a 3D video. And this is going to be an amazing kind of video right here that you can actually go on to utilizing for any purpose of your choice right there. We're going to be exploring this particular platform right here called Genmo AI. This is an absolutely amazing AI tool that you want to just simply go on to leveraging right here, because with Genmo AI, guys, you can make videos using AI with Genmo replays. It's actually a very cool AI that you can just simply utilize. If you do check out the screen right there, or the videos which I showed you earlier, you can actually see how cool those videos actually are and how amazing they are right there. They were all created with the help of this AI tool right now. So once you do come onto this platform called Genmo.ai, all you need to do right now is to come on to clicking on this section that actually says login. So you want to go on to login into your account right there. Once you log into your account right there, guys, or sign up for an account, you'll be able to go on to sign up with your email address right there, and you'll be brought to a home page such as this. As you can see right here, these are all videos I've created previously with this AI tool right now. You can actually see how cool the videos actually going to looking like right here. So once you do come onto this platform right here, guys, all you need to do right there is to go on to setting or inserting your prompt right here in this section. So your prompt is actually a description of the kind of video you actually want to just simply go on to creating to create cool and amazing stunning content right here. You can actually go on to editing your settings right here for the video which you want to create. Maybe you can actually set the aspect ratio on automatic right there by leaving it as it is. As you can see, the aspect ratio is on automatic. You could go on to turning that off. You could go on to changing the aspect ratio based on any preference of your choice right there, but I'm going to leave this on the landscape right here. You could also go on to changing the duration of your video, and you can see right here that you could select the 2 seconds, 4 seconds, or 8 seconds long video. Based on your preference right here, you could go on to increasing or reducing the amount of motion which you actually want in your video right now. You could actually go on to selecting the amount of videos which you want to get created per text prompt. If you want 1 video per text prompt, you can select that. If you want 2 or 3 videos per text prompt, you can select that. You could also go on to looping your video right here if you want to right now. So once you've actually gone through that settings, you can see this section that says camera motion right here. This is how you're actually going to go into editing the motion of your screen right now. Maybe you actually do want this to the zoom to be on auto. You're going to select this, or for you to actually go on to selecting a specific one, either you want to zoom in or zoom out or any of that option. You can see right here the rolling option right here, which you want to roll clockwise, anti-clockwise, or any percentage of your choice. You could also see the panning right here is on auto. You can see the tilt right here. So just simply edit all those preference sections based on your preference. Supposing you want to just simply insert a prompt, you could just simply click on this particular icon right here. Maybe I do click on this icon. It's going to go on to selecting a random prompt for me. As you can see right here, it says a dragon with a stained glass wings. So I'm just going to go on to clicking on submit. And if I do that right there, you can see my prompt has actually been submitted, and in a matter of some seconds right there, or rather a minute, my video will be created. I can just simply click on this once more right here again, and you can see right here, this is another prompt right now that I can just simply go on to clicking on submit, and my video generation will begin in process. So you can see right here that the video generation is actually in progress right now, and it's at 37%. Once it gets to 100%, you'll be able to see the cool video that will be generated for you right now. So guys, take a look at this right here. This is actually the first video right here. You can see how the video looks like right here. You could go on to checking out the second video right now, and maybe if I do go on to increasing the screen size right here, you can see how cool the video goes on to looking like. Once I do play this right here, this is how cool the video actually looks like right now. So you can see how cool the quality of the video actually is. So you can actually go on to checking out this video right here. This one is actually still processing. As you can see, it's at 57% right here, and you can just simply go on to checking that out once that is actually done. So you can see how cool all these videos actually are that were generated with the help of this AI tool right now. So with just this simple text right here, you could just simply generate cool and amazing videos with this platform called Genmo.ai. So guys, take a look at these videos right here that were actually created right now. I'm just gonna make this kind of bigger. You can see how cool the quality of the video actually looks like right here. So this AI tool actually goes on to doing wonders right now. So I can actually go onto the top right here and actually check out this other video right now. You can see how cool the video looks like right here. These are all cool and amazing videos that were generated with the help of this AI tool right now. They're quite amazing right here. So all you need to do right now is to just simply give it a simple prompt right here, and it's actually going to go on to generating cool videos for you. So next right now guys, I'm just going to go on to inserting my prompt in this particular section. So guys, take a look at this right now. If I come right here and actually paste in my already made prompt right now, I'm just going to come right here and edit this prompt to what I actually do want right here. As you can see, I've edited this stuff previously. Maybe I'm actually going to go on to increasing the motion of the video that will be generated right here. You can also check out the camera motion if you want, and just simply click on submit right now, and you can actually pause the video to check out the prompt I also used right here for this video, and you'll be able to see the kind of cool and amazing video that will be generated right here just from that single prompt right now. So I'm just going to wait until the AI tool is actually done generating the video right here. So take a look at this guys. This is a video that was created right here. I'm just going to make this quite bigger right here. As you can see how cool and high quality the video actually is that was created with the help of this AI tool right now. So guys, next I'm just going to show you the other video right here. This is the second one right here that was created right now. As you can see how cool the videos actually are. All you need to do is to just simply click on download. You can download the video and use that for any purpose of your choice. You could go on to viewing the video, or you could share the video right now. That's absolutely amazing right here. So guys, basically all you need to do is to just simply come right here to this platform and start leveraging this platform to create some cool and quality content right here, or quality videos, just by giving a simple description. Now supposing you guys you want to just simply animate an image, you can do that with the help of this AI tool. Click on upload right here, and all you need to do is to just simply go on to selecting the image from your device that you want to just simply go on to animating right now. So supposing I just simply scroll through my device right here, I'm just going to go to selecting a very cool video right now which I want to just simply animate. Supposing I want to just simply animate this video, I'm just going to select the video, or rather I'm going to select this one right here, or that particular image. I'm going to upload the image. As you can see, the image is being uploaded on this platform right now. Once it's done uploading, you'll be able to see this particular prompt right now. A prompt has actually appeared for the video or for the image right there. You can also see right here that the thumbnail to that particular video or image is actually there. You could also go on to checking out the settings. The aspect ratio went on to fitting in with that exact same video or image rather, sorry. And the duration right here, you can see the duration. You could also go on to preserving. The higher percentage of preservation you actually do put actually goes on to making the video look like the image that was actually there right now. So you could also go on to checking out the motion right here, the number of batches that will be created. You could also come right here and check out the camera right here, the camera motion, only for the zoom and roll. Edit that to your preference, and once you're done, click on submit right here, and that particular video will begin to get generated on this platform. As you can see right now guys, once this actually goes on to loading up and turns to 100% right there, the video will be created, and you can just simply go on to checking out how cool the video actually is. So guys, take a look at this right now. This was the video that was actually created just from that my single image right now. You can see how cool it actually looks, quite very much more similar to the image right there. And you could also go on to checking out the second video right here. This is the second one that was actually created right now, actually looking quite amazing right here. So guys, this is a very nice AI tool that I actually advise you take advantage of for people that actually intend on creating some cool kinds of animations right here. As you can see right here, you could go on to creating that exact same kind of video in a different theme right now. Maybe you want to use a fantasy theme, a psychedelic theme concept, or nature inspiration kind of video right now. You could create that with the help of this AI tool right here, just from this single prompt right now. So this is actually amazing. All you actually need to do is to give it a simple description right now, and it's going to come up with some cool images and videos right there. So guys, if the video did add any form of value, why not just simply hit the like button to the video. Also make sure you're subscribed to my channel OJ Marketing, and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help boost your income online. And basically guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching and goodbye.